Hi everyone, and welcome to another MyHub tutorial. Today we're focusing on the Small Group Leader app. We'll show you how to sign into the app and also how to use it. Now, one thing to remember as we get started is not to confuse the Small Group Leader app with the new Church app that we've launched. You've been hearing a lot about the Church app on Sunday morning, but the Small Group Leader app is designed exclusively for small group leaders. It's a great tool to help you manage and minister to the people on your teams and in your groups. First thing you'll want to do is to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You can find it by searching for CCB Group Leader. When you first download it and open it, you'll be presented with this CCB Church prefix screen. Once you have this set, you will not have to do this again unless you uninstall and reinstall the app. Basically, all this screen is asking is which church does the app need to connect with. And so you just need to type in Lighthouse Fellowship and then click the Set Church button. It'll then take you to your login screen, and the login screen is where you can enter your username and password that you set up. If you haven't done that yet, you might go back to last week's tutorial and see how you can set up your username and password. But it's the same whether you're using the desktop version or this mobile version. Now, once you log in, you'll be presented with this group list. This screen lists the different life groups you belong to, as well as different ministry teams you may be a part of. Some of these you will manage, some of these you're just a member of. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to click Life Group Morris, and it will open the details about my life group. But you can see several different options here. We're going to walk through these just one at a time so that you can see how they work. The first one is the attendance option. It's here that you can record attendance or edit attendance to meetings or different life group sessions that you've had. When you click the attendance button, you're brought to the calendar page where you can see a listing of recent life group meetings. So you click on one of those and it opens up the screen that allows you to take attendance. And this looks very familiar, very similar to the desktop version. Same kind of options. You can select with the top toggle switch to say that you did not meet, or you can enter attendance by just clicking the little circle by each person's name. That way it'll turn to a green checkbox saying that they were present in the meeting. Or you can hit the select all button at the top and select everybody. Once you record attendance there, you can hit the next button at the top right. It comes to the visitors screen where you can enter how many guests were at your group. For instance, if you had just one guest, you would just enter one. And when you click the next button, you're brought to the event summary page where you can enter in more information to share with your life group. For instance, you could enter event notes. And this would be any kind of message that you want to remind yourself of later for the future or to send out to your life group, because you can share these notes with members of your life group. Click the Done button when you're finished making your notes, and you come back to the event summary page where you can enter prayer and praise reports, and you enter in the information that you want to have from your prayer list. And once you're finished doing that, click the Done button and you're brought back to the event summary page where you can decide who to send these notes to. And you can select no one, and that's great if you did not meet. You can select leaders only. That would go to just you or whoever else is listed as a leader in your group, or it can go to the entire group and the leaders of the group. This is especially helpful if you've entered prayer requests and you want everybody to receive those prayer requests. And once you've made your selection, you're brought back to the event summary page one last time where you can hit the Save button. Once you do that, you'll be brought back to the attendance page where you can hit the back arrow and go back and see your main options. The next option that you have there is Messages. And Messages is a way for you to quickly email the people in your group. It's very straightforward. Just hit the plus button at the top to start a new message. It automatically is going to be sent to all group participants. You just enter a subject and enter your message and then click Send. The next option that is available in the Small Group Leader app is the Group Members directory. It just gives you a listing of everybody who is in your group. You can click on any name and you can see details of that person. You can find out their birthday, their anniversary, all kinds of things. From this screen, you can also make a quick phone call to them, send them a text message, or email them. The next feature you have in the group app is the Send Group Text button. Click that and you can message everybody in your group with a text message. Another great feature that we have in the Groups app is what's called Needs. Needs is a fantastic way to create a list of needs that you may have for a particular event or for a ministry project. For instance, if your group is having a dinner, you can create, say, a fall kickoff dinner need, and then you list the items that you need for this dinner. If you need folks to bring certain items for the meal, you list those. This information will get sent out to the group, and then they can check off the items that they will bring. So you'll be able to see what is still needed. This is also a great way to put together special ministry projects. For instance, if your group decides to put together a cleaning kit for the hurricane relief, you can create a need and list all the items that are required for the cleaning kit, and then people can check off the items that they will purchase and bring to your next group so that you can put a kit together. And the final feature we're going to discuss today is the Special Days feature. When you click the Special Days button, you will see a list of everybody's anniversary and birthdays that are in your group. These are sorted by calendar so you can see who's coming up next. That way, when you come together as a group, you can celebrate birthdays, celebrate anniversaries, send a card, whatever. It is just a wonderful ministry tool to help you celebrate with people on their special day. So I hope you can see that the Small Group Leader app is a powerful tool. It'll help make you much more effective as a small group leader.